Hi ladies, and welcome to Essentially Styled Lilla Rose with Christine. And today I wanted to come on and share with you a new bun style that I found. And it's not a new bun style, it's been around for a long time, but it's the first time I tried it and realized that my hair was indeed long enough to do this bun. So it's called the Lazy Wrap Bun. And I'm going to turn around so you can see it. It's just a very simple, sleek, style that I think is very, very comfortable, easy to do. It's great with Lilla Rose hair sticks, or I think you could use a larger size flexi, bigger than your normal flexi size for a ponytail or a half up or something like that. But it could be done. But my favorite is with the sticks, and I've been doing it now for several days. It stays all day. The only time I've had trouble with it, if I lean up against the couch or the car, the stick will eventually work its way out. But quick and easy enough to redo. So I'm going to turn around and I'm going to show you, but I'm going to tell you a couple things first. When you put this in, you'll see that my second loop around the bun is just a tiny bit of hair, and that's all I need to secure it. But you're going to start with the OK sign like we do with the Celtic knot, if you've seen that tutorial before. And you start with that, but then there's a little trick where you lift your thumb and go under that. So that's the trickiest part of it, but once you get that, you will have the Lazy Wrap Bun down like that. Okay, so I'm going to start with my hair down, and let's see, I'm going to set that stick there, make sure I'm in the picture. So I start with a ponytail, and you can go high or low, and then I'm going to turn around because I like to pull some out before I get it in the bun. If you like some hair down on the sides to frame your face, sometimes I'll bring more down. It just depends on the look I want to go for. So I start with that OK sign as such. Then just like the Celtic knot, I swing that tail around under those three fingers. But instead of coming around like I do for the Celtic knot, before I do that, I'm going to stick my, oops, lost my hole there, sorry. Come around, and before I come around, I stick that thumb out. So I'm kind of making a figure 8 around my thumb and pointer finger, and then I take that little bit of tail, you can see there's not much there, and just bring that a little bit and keep going around and secure that. So I've got that hair kind of pinched like that. There's a loop here and a loop here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the stick and follow that hair. Make sure you kind of follow your finger down through that first loop, go under, catch hair from underneath, and you're going to come back while you still have a hold of that loop, come back up the other side. And there is your Lazy Wrap Bun. And you can see where the stick needs to go. Very easy. I think it's elegant, it's neat. If you have little ends that stick out, you can secure those with bobbies if you need, but most of the time I can just pull it around and it secures underneath. So that is the Lazy Wrap Bun. So easy. Now you can experiment around. Some people will start to the slightly to off center of their head because they feel like it'll be off center if you don't. I have found that I just maybe barely slightly off center and haven't noticed it being off one way or the other. But an easy style, quick to do, and I love, again, the length of the Lilla Rose hair sticks are such that they're not going to stick way out. You don't look like an alien with them, so I do like that with the hair sticks. So if you have any questions, be sure and let me know. If you're seeing this on YouTube, be sure and subscribe, hit the red bell for notifications when new tutorials become available. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you can try the Lazy Wrap Bun. Thanks. Bye.